2.5 Ranger doing a timing belt install. Just replaced the timing belt tensioner. A little trick to getting it on. Screw this spring bolt all the way in, back it out a couple turns. Using your AC compressor bracket with the stud on the end. This one here, I got a 1-inch socket on it, a couple washers. You can see right here, socket is contacting the timing belt tensioner bracket. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is tighten this AC compressor bracket bolt in, and then you can see the belt tensioner is moving because it's contacting it through there. So you're going to tighten it all the way to about right there. Then you take the lock bolt for the tensioner and thread it in. Sorry. Back it up a little bit. Okay. Sorry. Alright, now that's started. Now we can tighten our lock bolt down. For our tensioner. Like that. Then we can pull this out. Tensioner is held in place. Now we can put our belt on. No hands needed, or 2 hands needed. That's it.